In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a website in Kartra. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Kartra. Click the official result that clearly shows Kartra's brand and secure URL. If you haven't already, bookmark the site so you can get back quickly. Once you're on the home page, log into your account. Keep your credentials secure and avoid using public networks when working on your site. From the dashboard, look to the left sidebar and select My Pages. Click the plus page button to create a new page. Kartra will open the page builder. If you're prompted to choose a layout, pick one that matches your goal or start from a blank canvas. Either way, you'll land in the editor where the real work happens. Inside the builder, click Add Section. Sections are the big building blocks of your page. Think of them as horizontal bands for your hero, features, testimonials, or footer. Keep each section focused on one purpose to make your page easier to scan. Within a section, you can add basic elements and content sections. Click any option to insert it onto the canvas. Once it's there, click directly on any part of the element to edit. You'll see editing controls either inline or in a side panel. Keep copy concise, use clear headings, and maintain a consistent style across the page. To add visuals, choose an image element and upload your file. You can adjust opacity and blur for overlays or backgrounds, and always add descriptive alt text to support accessibility and improve SEO. Aim for optimized image sizes to keep your page loading fast. In the styling controls, fine-tune margin and padding for spacing, set borders and corner radius for shape, and align content, left, center, or right. Small spacing tweaks go a long way toward a polished layout. Preview as you go to avoid cramped or uneven sections. Next, configure actions. You can link an element to another page on your site, trigger a file download, or open a pop-up content box. Choose behavior carefully. External links might open in a new tab, while downloads should be clearly labeled. If you add animations or triggers, apply them sparingly and click Apply to confirm. To expand your page, open components to add text blocks, images, forms, comments, and more. Drop them where needed, then style and connect settings inside each component. Keep forms simple and ask only for what you need. Use the device icons to toggle between desktop, tablet, and mobile previews. Adjust font sizes, spacing, and visibility so each layout feels tailored to that screen. When you're ready, click Actions. Here you can preview, save progress, save as template for reuse, publish live, or return to the dashboard. I recommend previewing, saving, then publishing when everything looks right. And that's how you build a website in Kartra, clean, responsive, and ready to go live.